Lenskart has made a weak debut on D Street, listing at 395 rupees, a discount of 3% from the IPO price. The stock also has fallen as much as 11% in the early minutes of trading, but it recovered from those losses, but briefly also crossed the IPO price of 400, but is still struggling to stay above those levels. Remember, the IPO was subscribed massive 28 times. This was despite all the chatter around the lofty valuations. Now, the three key reasons why there is a listing dud for Lenskart are here. First up, the lofty valuations of 10 times of FY25 EV to sales and 68 times EV to EBITDA, well above peers and retail giants like Trent, Titan, or even Nykaa. That seemingly has put analysts questioning whether there is any room left at these valuations for fresh investors and shareholders to make more money. The second key reason is Ambit Brokerage House coming out with a sell rating right ahead of the debut of Lenskart, giving a target price of 337 rupees. That's a 16% below target price from the IPO levels as well. Now remember, Ambit believes that the company has already mentioned its return on capital is a modest 9 to 13%, vis-a-vis peers like Trent and Nykaa, whose ROCE is anywhere between 30 to 40%. The third key reason is the questionable profit figures that the company has posted. Remember, the recent profits that the company has reported of 297 odd crore rupees is boosted largely by one-time gain, and the company has swung into profit from losses of 63 odd crore rupees in the previous time. Now, this one-time gain is also related to Owndays acquisition as well. And therefore, investors and analysts are questioning whether there will be any sustained profits on the bottom line. And these are the key reasons why there is a listing dud for Lenskart today.